Oh, okay. Yeah. I don't know. You'll probably be about as good as I was. That's kind of the way it works, and I was below average. So, whoa. So you'll probably ultimately rank somewhere around there, so really, you'll excel at a lot of things, just not this. I don't want you out here shooting this ball around all day and night, all right?
All right.
All right? All right, go ahead. Hey. Don't ever let somebody tell you you can't do something. Not even me. All right?
All right.
You got a dream. You got to protect it. People can't do something themselves. They want to tell you you can't do it. You want something, go get it. Period.
Okay, so there you go. So now, what happened here? So that was a great quote from The Pursuit of Happiness. Will Smith, great movie. Right here, what happened here? It's exactly like this. It's the same thing. I'm trying to predict what you guys are thinking after watching the last video or whatever. Right, what we have right here on the screen. Okay, so here's where we stop the video. So if you watch the video where the video finished just before this happens. Okay, just before this happens, there is third. Okay, and then the market goes into this consolidation for from the third. So let's say from April. Okay, so March, April, all the way up to August, and then in August, so 8th of August, then it breaks. It carries on the same path that he did from the beginning of the year. So December to April, March, April, and then all the way to August, and then after August, then it carries on. Okay, so starting at the 100, where did this take us? So this is going to be, it's going to be your, it's going, because this is the backtest. This is why backtest is so important, because look, right now, I can just exit the market, close everything, and take my 4 grand, right? Take my 4,178, right? That's it, okay? But I'm gonna let you use your backtest instead of just show. You guys need to find this, because this happens in every market. You need to be able to find these things. So if I just show you things, I can just keep making things easy for you, because then it becomes too easy, and then you don't believe it, right? You don't do it. What I'm gonna do is gonna tell you to use the journal. Okay, the journal, basically how it works. So from here, from trace to MSE. Okay, so from trace to MSE, right there. That's the signal. This is a complete signal. Okay, so RSI, trace, RSI, EMA, SMA, SMMA, and MSE. So that's the master strategy engine. Okay, and that's your signal there. So range breakout is a sell, the SMMA is a buy, and then the SMA is a sell, EMA sell, and RSI is hold. Okay, so there is no agreement signal. Okay, because it needs to be the best of 3. Okay, now this changes as you change the settings on the panel. We'll go over that in more detail. It's going to take a bit of a while, but you can see the signals. It tells you when he buys, when he's going to buy, and basically you can see everything as it happens. Okay, so these ones obviously they appear after it happens, because he is tracking your candles and your moving average, RSI, etc. when it hits, yeah, it then happens. Straight away after happens, the last move is the last move that he catches, the last candle or the last bar, then it shows what the readings of that bar was. Now, same thing if you are on the lives, okay? So if you're on a live, okay, and here is, as you can see, the market today here is open and closing every minute. So there is my TP, is now inside, now $6 today. Market closed and then open again because the broker is they're doing updates this weekend. But exactly the same thing, okay? If you go to expert, okay, and then you kind of expand this up, right? Again, that's your signals. Again, starting from trace to MSE, okay? That's your signal from here all the way down to here. You can also right click, copy and paste this on a group, okay? If you think that the signal is wrong, it doesn't match what you see, let us know so we can correct it. And that's it, okay? It basically tells you everything that's going on in your trade. Now here on the right, okay, obviously because the server keeps going on, you know, conflicts, no conflicts, detected, no bars, evaluated, state. That's because the broker keeps going offline, okay, keeps going offline. So hopefully it's still, you know, actually I moved that stop loss. It was down here, and as soon as the server come back online, I just grabbed it, put it there. Right, just taking this support zone here. Okay, so I kind of assume maybe it takes me out, maybe not, but it's carrying on. And if you look up, okay, so this we already touched this so many times. There's your 200 moving average, so that's where we're heading. Okay, so we come from below, see where the market is coming from. Okay, so it came back down, it mounted above, tried once, tried twice, the third time break above the 50, now we hold above the 50 and is clearly moving towards the 200, potentially finish the day up in high and looks good for next week. Okay, but first we need to retest that. So to retest this, Bitcoin can do the same things that gold. Yeah, see, straight makes a run, then makes a retest, and then continuation. But there you go. So using your imagination and your tools, using your back testing, let's see if you guys can find out what happened here. Okay, you know, exactly what's going here from here, and then the market carry on. Now it's already putting me in 4,000. As you see, I'm about to close this back test and then post it there. See what the back test result is going to be. Okay, so which is right here, right? So we're going to carry on. Okay, and see where it's going to close me up. Okay, and then, you know, as you do your run research, let's try and figure out what we need to do to stop closing trades on those levels, or should we close a trade early, do nothing, or open a big trade, no stop loss at all, to allow the market to expand and then sell it when the market is high, right? So this, what it does, it reduces our paying the brokers. Okay, obviously this is the kind of thing brokers don't want. But this is it, this is the name of the game. Okay, you can see now I'm right there, because my profits and my earnings are very close. Okay, perfect for the brokers. Brokers love that. That's what they want. Okay, they want movement. The more movements you guys make, more money they make. That's the game, right? So, you know, that's how it works. So, and as you can see, so, you know, what we need to do, I just made a fix there as well, so you can actually get this version as well, so you can just run exactly the same version I'm using here. In this case here is on Xiao, but you can run it on BTC. Okay, so just gonna pause this, let this finish, and when you finish, then close the video, show you how the backtest to do this for this test. One other thing I want to remind you as well, I didn't use any lot compounds. Okay, always been 0.01 from the beginning, and kept that level because, you know, less risk for me, right? So it's important then what we can do, you know, to grow these earnings even more, but we need to do this sensibly, okay, and calculate it. So we allow a lot of space for the market to breathe. There it goes, just made a loss there, okay. So next is to work out how can we improve this strategy, right, to keep us out of those troubles. Now we have already functions that can automatically close a trade if we went 50%, or you can even get the system to take the money out, $500, take it out, 600, 200, under $50, close all the trades or close everything. When you made 600, close, don't trade again until I tell you to trade, if you're not watching this. So all those things are there, and you will pick it up as we go forward, okay. Now let's see how far are we from closing this back test, because then is about we're gonna decipher this setup, so we can oh, he's breaking, okay, he's trying to break away again, almost to the end of the year, and there he goes. So it's now done. So we can now go to back test, and there he goes. You see my losses for this run, minus 1,000. This is pretty good, right? So I only lost 1,000. I go 4,400 on my pocket, right? There he goes. So this is why I'm telling you, this is what matters, nothing else. Okay, nothing else. Just look at this chart, right? I will take a picture and put it on the group. So there he goes. Now let's see. Can we make it even better? Can we?